Hello everybody. Welcome to welcome to a new video on the Linux tutorial which we have started. So I have basically shown the video on how to install the Ubuntu platform and install the VirtualBox and run on it the ISO file and starting with a new Linux environment, and specifically it's a bash environment where you can run any Linux commands and any you can perform any other programs on it also. So today I will show you uh, some basic commands which are used in Linux and which are very much helpful for using it inside this platform. Okay, so the first command which we will learn today is WHO. It is the most basic command, and if you enter this, it will show the current logged in user. You can just see it, it is showing it that also, and it is also showing some date and time. Okay, you can also see that. And if you use this command, who am I, it will show you only the user. Okay, so this is the only difference between these two commands, that it will show the date also and this tty2, and who am I will only show you the user which is currently logged in into the system. Okay, so this is our main most basic command. Coming to the next command, the next command is pwd. This pwd command is actually the current working directory. It's a current working directory of the pwd command is actually the location of the current working directory where I am actually working this entire thing. Okay. Now let's move on to the next command. The next command is ls, small l, small s. It shows you the different directories which I have created inside this inside this directory, and you can also see this desktop, downloads, music, pictures, etc. is there. So how to create a new directory? So the command for creating the new directory is mkdir space anything, like your name or anything. Suppose I am giving this as completely hash and it is created. Okay, and now if you give this ls, you can see this, the directory is present here. Okay, and now suppose you want to make two or three directories in the same command. So what you have to write is this: mkdir. Suppose you are writing we are best. Okay, and if we do ls here also, and you can see that we are based. Okay, all have come in and they are making a different directories inside the same directory. Okay, in different folders inside the same directory. So this is a most basic command also which I have shown you, and you can also remove a directory by rmdir. Rmdir command can also remove thing. If you want to remove we and doing ls, you can see that we is not there anymore. So this is the main mm, most simple command. Okay, and coming to the next, if you want to enter into a directory, so what command you have to use? Okay, so suppose I am going to enter cd computing. So in this, I have used cd. So small c small t cd command. Else you can see the cd command is used to enter into a directory. Okay, so I can use this. Yes, you can see that we have entered this directory and it is showing also. Okay, and here if you do the pwd, you can see that this from home we have come to this, and this is the user login, and here you have come into this directory, which is computing heist. Okay, you can see that. So it is very easy, and if you want to come out from this directory, so you have to write cd dot dot. Okay, cd dot dot, and you will wait a minute. Cd space dot dot. Okay, I'm sorry, it is cc cd space dot dot. So if you write this cd space dot dot, you will move out from this directory. Okay, and this is also a very easy. Okay, you can only see that cd space dot dot command will help you to come out of this directory. Okay, now if you okay, and this command clear. Yes, I think it is a very common command, clear. And if you run this command clear, then the entire screen will be cleared off. Okay, this is the most basic. Okay, you can, this is the basic, most basic. And if you want to know the date and the time of the current time I am just showing this. So it's date I have written, and you, if you want to also want to show that what time it is in your computer now, so you can use this date command. Okay, it is very also simple. And there is also a basic command which is history. In this history command, you can see that these are the commands which I have recently used. Okay, and it has crossed nearly 1023. You can see that also. Okay, so it's very natural as I am doing this on this computer from now, and I am clearing this. Okay, so these are the most basic commands which you have seen. And now coming to some file commands which are generally used for creating a file, to enter text into the file, and so on so on. So first let's create a file. So before creating, so the most basic command for creating a file is touch. touch, touch. And okay, I'm moving it to the computing highest directory, so it will be easier for everyone. Then I am showing cat, and I am creating a text file. So you can use cat also. So, but first of all, I would want to show you using touch f1.txt. Okay, touch f1.txt. If you show, yes, it is there. f1.txt. It is created. Okay, and if you um, want to enter value into it, if you want to enter something into it, you have to use this command known as cat. No, sorry, it's not cat. I am sorry. It is actually nano command, or gedit command would help you to enter value into this text. So first of all, let's go to the gedit command, or no, first go to the nano command. Okay, it will be easier if you get to the nano command first. So there is before starting the nano command, there are some two prerequisite commands that you have to use. First is sudo apt update. You have to use this. so that it can update your everything. Like you have to give your password, obviously. Okay, so it will take some time, obviously, as it is updating your version. Nearly it will take 2 minutes or something. So finally you can see that it's done. And now let's, and there is a second command also which you have to add, but I am not running it uh, because I have already run on it. And you have to use this command. You can take this. So this is the command: sudo apt install nano. Okay, you have to run this to use the nano system on your computer. Okay, you have to run this sudo apt install nano. Okay. Mm, so let's use the nano function, nano f1.txt. So this thing will actually open a new nano system where you can type anything like your name, your college name, your department name, your hobbies, your activities, or your favorite food, like anything do you want. Okay, I am just using this. So after save, you save this by using this Control X, and after doing this Control X, uh, you have to enter the Y command, insert the Y key to save it. Okay, it will say that save modified buffer. So enter this Y, and this is saved, and pressing enter. Okay, so if you now use the cat command, okay, these commands are very much usable to us. So I'm using this cat command, which actually a command which will used to create a file also, and it is also used to display the file also. And another function of it is it can also copy something from one file to another. Okay, I will show you that cat f1.txt, and you can see that I have written these things inside the f1.txt command, and so it is done. And next I am creating a second file called f2.txt, cat f2.txt. Okay, sorry, it's not a cat. I'm using nano. Okay, it is used to show file actually basically. Okay, so cat nano f2.txt. So let's use nano here. Um, so inside this f2.txt you can give anything. I am doing this B B C C. Okay, okay, that's so and suppose you want to add, okay, and you have to add some contents inside this. So what it is, what you will do now? So let's suppose I am using this f1.txt and doing this. This is a greater than symbol, f2.txt. Mean this symbol means that we are replacing We are replacing, not adding. Okay, you can see this also. f1.txt uh, uh, is greater than s2.txt. Means you can we are doing this f1.txt to f2.txt. Contents of the f1.txt to the contents of f2.txt. Let's run this command. And now see cat f2.txt. See, it is changed. Okay. So what I have entered in the nano f2.txt is not here. They have actually entered. They have actually uh, used the thing which is inside the f1.txt. Okay. And in the cat f1.txt, you can see this also. Okay. So this is the problem that it is replacing. So how to add things? Okay, how to add things? We have to learn now. Nano f3.txt. I am creating it again. Nano f3.txt. Inside the nano f3.txt, I am again writing this a b b c c. Okay. Control X Y enter. And now I am doing cat f f1.txt to f3.txt. Now if we run this and we are seeing f3.txt, now it is showing that it has added, it has concatenated the things, the contents which are in the f1.txt and in the and it is also there in the contents of f3.txt. It is concatenating but not replacing. This is the main function of this double greater than. Okay, I hope you have understand. And next coming to next version of cat, that is tag. Tag actually reverses a file. So if we write tag f1.txt, you will see that it is coming up downwards. Okay, it's actually reversing the whole file. You can see that computing has been the first, and you can see the computing has been the last. Okay, and it is vice versa. Everything. Okay. Okay. Next, it is coming as a next command of. It is not a cat command, but it is like a cat command. Head command. Head f1.txt. But I have to enter more values to it, so I am using nano f1.txt, and you have to give more than 10 lines in it. Okay, so you can see the difference actually. Favorite food, um, cartoon, mobile, TV, radio, page. I'm using sample names which are in my mind just now. Computer, laptop, PC, mouse, keyboard, everything which I am just think. You can write anything. Okay, you can write anything, and you can use anything also in there inside this. Um, so okay, I'm just using okay, okay, data table, and next I'm using convert, Bluetooth. Okay, um, I guess that's all. Okay, if that's all, I am saving it. Control Z, Y, enter. Okay. And now if we do this head thing, head f1.txt, you can see that first 10 lines are inside this. Okay, this is the command head is using. Head is actually doing this thing. It is taking the first 10 lines of the file and showing it to us. Okay, this is the head. Okay, so what you will do if you want to just want to show the first 5 lines. Okay, so here we go. It is head minus n 5 f1.txt. So this is this. Okay, so I have you have understood that this command, this head minus n 5, this command will always do this. um, Show the 5 lines, which are first 5 lines, which are in the file. Okay, which are inside this file. And I think you have understood what I am trying to say. And next, coming to the tail command. So the tail command is tail f1.txt. And before moving on to this, I want to make assured that you after head you must give this space, because for this space the space in the Linux environment is very much important to show the difference of the commands. Okay, as you are in use as we are using many commands inside this. Okay, so tail f1.txt will actually show the last 10 lines inside the file. Okay, the last 10 lines. And inside this I am going to and obviously just as the head. So if we want to show the next last 5 lines, so tail minus in 5 and the final f1 fixed. So you can see this. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. So this it is. And coming to the next command, which I think you have uh, heard somewhere, that is echo. Echo command actually used as a print statement. If you have used C or Java, you can also show that it is using print, or if you use Python, it is saying that it is print. In Java, it says system.out.println, and here it is echo. So this echo command is actually prints everything which you write. Okay, everything. You can write everything, it will print everything. Okay, there is no such thing that it will not show to you. Okay, echo is meaning printing everything. So coming to the next command, which is chmod. In I will definitely show you how to use chmod in the upcoming videos, but today I will just only show you that this command, what this command shows actually. So if we add this chmod f1.txt, I'm sorry, um, this is not it is. Okay, I will show you in some uh, previous in some next uploaded in some next videos. I will show you how to use this chmod command. Okay, I'm clearing this as it is very dirty. Okay, next I am going to show you the gedit command, but the gedit command is not actually used very much, but I think you can also use that. Okay, as it is very easy actually. So before doing this gedit command, you have to use this sudo apt update. Okay, you have to again do this, and if you have done in the nano, so it is okay, but you have to do this sudo apt install gedit. After doing this, you will see a lot of lines coming up. Okay, after 2 or 3 minutes it will be done, and you can use the gedit command. Okay, so I think you are getting why I have taken very much space in the virtual box, as This thing will also take some memory in it. Okay, this gedit prerequisite thing. Okay, genome desktop environment. Actually, its name is genome desktop environment. It's the text editor, official text editor of the genome environment. Okay, so if we use gedit f2.txt, okay, if I use this, it will actually open my text editor inside this, and you can use any. Okay, you can just uh, edit anything in this. Okay, anything. And if you save this and coming off, you can see the Control C, and you can just see it. What I have, what changed? Have it changed or not? Yes, it changed. It is changed. Favorable. So these are most basic things. And coming up to the last and final command of today, which is cp f3.txt and f4.txt. And if we get f4.txt, it is showing this. It is the most simple command. It is cp means actually copy. It copies the contents of one text file to another text file. So it is a very easy command. You can see this also. And this is the this so today this is done till here. And in the upcoming videos I would show you how ch mod is actually used. Ch mod is actually very vast thing, and you have to understand in a one video only. And after that, I will also show you how to run C commands inside the Linux environment, how to use Python inside the Linux environment. Okay, so these are all, and I think it have helped you. So okay, it is done for today, and thank you.